Sunshine, it's our sunshine.
I'm Dr. Mahendra, Head of the Department, Dental, Implantology and Maxillofacial Surgery at Sunshine Dental Center, Sunshine Hospitals Gachibowli. Today, I'm going to enlighten you about root canal treatment. Why and where is a root canal treatment required? A root canal is required when you have a cracked tooth, you have trauma on the tooth, or you have a very deep cavity which has not been rectified by a filling on time. How is a root canal done? A root canal is done by using microscopic instrumentation which is inserted within your nervous chamber of your tooth, which helps out the clinician to cut out your arteries and nerves from within your tooth and disinfect it and finally fill it up for the rest of the tooth's life. A root canal treatment is a life savior for your teeth. If you do not get a root canal done on an infected tooth, you are most likely going to lose it. After finishing root canal treatment, must undergo a crown, or if there are multiple teeth, a bridge, because it is critically important for you to know that after root canal, the tooth becomes very brittle and can crack under pressure of eating, talking, or grinding your teeth by mistake. So please do remember that crowning is a must procedure to do after a root canal to save your teeth. We at Sunshine Dental Center provide you root canals through laser therapy, single sitting root canals which are completely painless, and you are back to your work. So please take care of your cavities and get them checked regularly to prevent further complications. Thank you.
Sunshine, it's our sunshine.